Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by text length on Microsoft Excel data. Sometimes people would like to sort the particular column value based on text length. Default Excel sort function not supported by text length, but you can achieve this by using two options of Excel formula. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I would like to sort by this name. So the first option, I would like to add the formula that is called sort by. So we have to add equal to sort by. Here you have to choose the array. So I have to select for the Excel data values. Then we have to add the comma. Then we have to add the length formula. So we have to collect the length of the text. So we have to add the length. Then we have to select the text what you would like to sort. Add the values, close the parenthesis. Then we have to add the comma. Here we have to add ascending or descending order. So I have to choose the descending order. Then we have to press the tab. Then enter the close parenthesis. That's it. Now we can check it out. Our Excel data has been sorted by based on the text length. But the problem is if you would like to delete or modify the cell, that will be getting error. You have to change this as a text. So you have to remove this. So you have to select the entire row. Then you have to copy the cells. Then you have to apply the paste special option. So you have to select the Ctrl-Alt-V. It will be open the paste special window. Here you have to select the values. Then you have to click OK. So now if we change anything, it will not change. So that you can use this sort value by using the sort by function. So the second option, you can use the another formula that is called length. So you have to add the equal, then we have to add a length. Here you have to choose the value what you would like to sort. Then you have to close parentheses, then you have to enter. Now the name length will be applied for the all cells. So here you have to sort it. That means you have to select the length value. Then you have to go to sort by filter, choose the option sort by smallest to largest or sort by largest to small. So I am choosing smallest to largest. It will be open the sort warning. Here you have to choose the expand the selection. So you have to click on sort. This will be shows the error. You can't change part of the array. So first you have to change as a value. So you have to select this row and just copy. Then you have to press the Ctrl-Alt+V. So this will be open the paste special window. Here you have to select the values. Then click OK. Now the length array has been converted as a value. Now you can select this column and go to sort and filter. Here you have to select the sort by smallest to largest. Then it will be asking for the sort warning. So here you have to expand the selection, then click on sort. That's it. Now the Excel data has been sorted based on your filter. In this way, you can sort the Excel data value based on the text length. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.